Hi, and welcome to Fit Friday. My name is Crystal Gordon, and I've been a trainer for 7 years. I currently train at Anytime Fitness. Fitness is something very important to me because I've been surrounded by it my whole life. I came into this industry because I wanted to help others feel comfortable, safe, and included when working out. Personally, fitness means endurance, strength, longevity, and mental health. Being healthy doesn't only mean working out every day, but what you are consuming. I have found keto to be the most productive and maintainable choice of nutrition. Starting a new diet is always intimidating, but once in a routine with keto, it simplifies. Not to mention, you get to eat eggs, meat, and cheese. One thing I love about Sizzle's new product, Sizzle Thin, is how easy it is to get into ketosis and stay there. I also really like Sizzle Sport because I'm in the gym every day and it gives me the energy to stay motivated during workouts and push through my midday slumps. Sizzle Sport is keto and paleo friendly, and it just works. Join me every other Friday for workout ideas, and I'll see you then.